we're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you like fast life.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So you can see what I have in my hand. Today I will be introducing to you this hand dryer from Jigoo. As you can see, this is the unboxing. Everything you're seeing came with it. This is just how it came. So I want to put more light on this hand dryer. It's not just an ordinary hair dryer, but it is very super. The high speed brushless motor compared with traditional hair dryers, Jigoo H300 is equipped with an ultra high speed brushless motor of 110,000 RPM, which provide a more powerful airflow of 22 m/s for faster drying. You hear me right, for faster drying. Its superior drying efficiency, the H300 hair dryer can dry your hair at a lower temperature to prevent it from becoming dry, frizzy or dull. In addition, the H300 benefits from lightweight and compact design that makes it easy to hold. Intelligent temperature control. The smart hair dryer measures more than 100 times per second, ensuring proper temperature to protect your hair from drying, cuticles, breakage, and freeze. Pleasant drying increase the durability and shine of your hair by 90%. 90% significantly reduces overheating damage and significantly extend the wear of your palms. I use the hair of my mom-in-law because she have longer hair and she was really satisfied of the result. After drying her hair, the hair remained same thing, shining and looks so beautiful. This hand dryer has 200 million negative ions. The ionic hair dryer emits 200 million negative ions that neutralize positive ions in wet hair, helping to eliminate static and freeze while styling the hair cuticles. Result: smoother and shinier hair. Speed level and 4 heat models. The Jigoo 300 H300 professional hair dryer offers 2 speed level and 4 heat mode to personalize your hair drying experience. The 4 heat mode allow you to adjust the heat to create the shape and style of your hair. The 2 speed level are beneficial for improving drying efficiency and customizing drying for the different hair texture and styling needs. 59 dB low noise due to the high-speed brushless motor. In case if you're interested in getting the Jigoo H300 professional hair dryer, the link to it will be on the description box. Check it out and I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous.